Our oceans. Oceans are large bodies of salt water that cover most of Earth. They cover more than 70% of our planet. There are five oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. Together, they form one big connected ocean. Oceans are home to so many living things: fish, whales, dolphins, sea turtles, and tiny plants called plankton all live in the ocean. Some ocean creatures are very small, some are very large. Oceans are important for life on Earth. They give us food, help make the air we breathe, and control Earth's weather. Oceans also help keep our planet at the right temperature. People use oceans in many ways. We travel on them, get food from them, and enjoy their beauty. We must take care of our ocean so they can stay clean and healthy. Healthy oceans mean a healthy planet.